Have you ever found yourself endlessly trying to catch someone's eye, waiting for their messages, or constantly checking their social media activity? Are you exhausted from putting in so much effort, only to feel like you're still invisible to them? We've all been there at some point, stuck in the loop of seeking validation and attention from someone who seems oblivious to our efforts. But what if there was a different way to approach this? What if you could stop chasing, yet still get noticed, and even better, have them start seeking your attention? Today, we'll explore a new perspective on how to navigate these situations. Welcome to our guide on Never Fight for Someone's Attention. Do this instead. This video will provide practical steps to shift the dynamic, regain your self-worth, and become someone people naturally want to be around. Let's dive in. Grappling with the desire for attention often stems from deeper issues, which can manifest in a constant struggle to be noticed or acknowledged. Typically, this chase originates from a fear of rejection or being ignored, pushing individuals to make all possible efforts to remain in the limelight. Unfortunately, this relentless pursuit often leads to the exact opposite of the desired outcome. Rather than drawing the person closer, it inadvertently pushes them away, creating an overwhelming and suffocating environment. Unintentionally, the very act of desperately seeking attention can translate into desperation and neediness, which are not particularly appealing traits. Understanding this dynamic is key to reframing our approach and learning to attract attention in healthier, more sustainable ways. The pitfalls of persistently pursuing attention can lead to an array of unfavorable outcomes, both for oneself and the relationship in question. When we incessantly seek validation from another person, it unintentionally conveys a sense of desperation and insecurity. This behavior can easily overwhelm the other person, leading them to distance themselves to reclaim their space and peace. Moreover, this constant pursuit can take a toll on one's self-esteem and mental health, as the absence of the desired attention can trigger feelings of inadequacy and unworthiness. It's crucial to recognize these detrimental effects and reassess the strategies we employ to gain attention, ensuring they are healthy and respectful for all parties involved. A shift in perspective is often the key to breaking free from the cycle of constantly chasing attention. Rather than focusing energy on courting someone's notice, it's far more beneficial to invest that effort into personal growth and self-improvement. This reframed approach emphasizes the importance of fostering qualities that naturally draw people in, such as confidence, emotional intelligence, and authenticity. It promotes the idea that instead of trying to fit someone's mold, it's more advantageous to be an individual who radiates positivity and self-assuredness. This way, you become a person others want to be around, attracting attention effortlessly without compromising your self-worth or dignity. Respecting your own emotional boundaries is a pivotal step in reversing the dynamics of attention seeking. Often, when we chase someone for attention, we place our emotional well-being in their hands, attributing our happiness or sadness to their actions or reactions towards us. This can create an unhealthy dependency and blur the lines of personal responsibility for our feelings. It's essential to understand that our emotions are our own, and we must take charge of them. By doing so, we can discover ways to maintain our happiness independently, making us less reliant on others for emotional validation. This sense of self-sufficiency can be incredibly attractive, positioning us as emotionally mature and stable individuals. Living authentically according to one's values is an undeniably appealing trait. When we live in alignment with what we genuinely believe in, we exude a sense of confidence and self-assuredness that naturally attracts others. It sends a clear message that we are individuals with a strong sense of identity, unwilling to compromise on our principles and values for the sake of attention. This not only makes us more attractive, but also helps in attracting the right kind of people, those who appreciate and respect our value. Moreover, it signifies that any relationship we engage in will be on our terms, driven by mutual respect and shared values. This authentic living can be a powerful magnet for those seeking a relationship grounded in genuine understanding and shared principles. Striking the right balance between showing interest and maintaining self-respect is a subtle art. While it's important to express your interest in someone, it's equally important to avoid coming across as needy or desperate. The key is to show your availability and reliability without overshadowing their personal space. Be there when they genuinely need you, but refrain from overstepping boundaries. Maintain honesty in your dealings, which builds trust and showcases your integrity. Support their endeavors, but avoid smothering them with unsolicited advice or assistance. Align your actions with your words to demonstrate consistency and reliability. This delicate balance not only attracts attention, but also builds a strong foundation for mutual respect and understanding. Stepping into the best version of yourself is a transformative journey that not only boosts your self-esteem, but also enhances your overall appeal. This isn't about changing who you fundamentally are. Instead, it's about recognizing your potential and working diligently to realize it. It's about setting goals and striving to achieve them, maintaining a positive and optimistic outlook, and being kind and helpful to those around you. As you work towards becoming your best self, your enhanced self-confidence, resilience, and kindness will naturally draw people towards you. The attractiveness of personal growth is undeniable, and it subtly communicates to others that you're a dynamic individual, committed to self-improvement and positivity. Being patient in relationships is an often overlooked virtue. It's easy to rush in and demand immediate reciprocation of feelings. But true, lasting connections are built over time. Patience means allowing the person to get to know you at their pace, understanding that feelings might not develop simultaneously, and refraining from pressuring them into committing before they are ready. It's about understanding that everyone has their own emotional timeline, and that rushing can lead to superficial or unstable relationships. Demonstrating patience communicates maturity, understanding, and respect for the other person's feelings. And pace, attributes that are attractive and can foster a more profound connection over time. Having the strength to walk away from a situation or a person that doesn't serve you well is a powerful testament to your self-worth. Walking away doesn't mean giving up. It's a bold statement saying you value yourself too much to tolerate mistreatment or indifference. It's an assertion of your self-esteem, showing that you won't compromise your happiness for someone who fails to appreciate your worth. This willingness to move on if necessary not only elevates your self-respect, but also sends a clear message to others about your standards. It's a potent deterrent to those who might take you for granted, and a strong attraction for those who appreciate and value a confident, self-respecting individual. As we reach the end of this eye-opening exploration, it's time to take charge of your own happiness and break free from the exhausting pursuit of someone's attention. By following these empowering steps, you can unlock a world of self-respect, personal growth, and genuine connections. Remember, it's about embracing your worth, living authentically, and attracting others through your magnetic energy. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video valuable, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content like this. We appreciate your comments and insights, so share your thoughts below. Keep shining brightly and inspiring others with your newfound knowledge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.